Now that's how you do a party, people. Hello everybody, today I'm going to be playing Batman Arkham Knight once again, some random shenanigans, just seeing what I can do out in Gotham City, and see if I can destroy some criminals and have some fun while doing it. So hit that like, subscribe button. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I think a few people liked the last one, so I decided, why not? So as you see here, I'm gliding throughout Gotham City, and I'm about to destroy somebody in a second. Boom! In your face, dude. See this? See, this is the reason why you don't do crimes in Gotham City, bro. Because you're gonna get destroyed by... Okay, that was just a misclick. But as you see here, I'm destroying these criminals. I'm making them look like straight fools because we all know Batman doesn't play those games, man. He's one of the baddest non-super humans out there. Boom! See? Exactly, right in your face, dude. I'm about to knock these dudes out. They try to hit me with the Glock, I'm knocking them down and knock them down in this block. Because every time I turn around, I'm out trying to rap. I don't even trap. I'm just doing this little rap because I rhyme. I don't waste your time while I was on the dime. But me and this rap thing gotta go. But as you see here, I'm destroying these people right now. Even this dude who's trying to slice me up, no, I'm going to hit him with the fist, because, you know, Batman doesn't use any weapons except for his gadgets, but he mostly uses his fist most of the time, and he's destroying people. And of course, those people with those, like, electrical stun guns are really getting on my nerves right now, but, yeah. It's just because the way the game's built, like, it kind of automatically, like, makes you go and attack them, and it makes you take damage, but as you see here, I'm still knocking them out, you know? These dudes, these criminals gotta learn. Being a criminal, it's not fun. It's not cool. It's not the best thing to do at all, dude. Because you see here, okay, these dudes with the shields are really getting on my nerves too. Like, why? Exactly, dude. So just don't mess with me in the beginning. Just be like, hey, yo, bro, Batman, calm down. And I'm knocking another set of dudes out. Why? Because I'm Batman. Stealth hit. Right there, dude. Boom! Right in your face, dude. This is what you get, man. Don't be a bad guy. And another one. Right on his back. Okay, that sounded wrong on so many levels. But you get the point. I'm knocking these dudes out, man. Come on. Watch this. I busted right in your face. Wait. No. That... Bro, why'd you have to move away, dude? Oh my, see this is what these criminals do, they like to move away before they're about to get hit. And he still got hit. Knocked straight on his back, bro.
It's all a bunch of Penguin and Harvey's boys working together. I'm telling you, sign of the apocalypse.
Keep solving those riddles, detective.
Riddler, can you shut up for 2 seconds? I'm trying to knock some criminals out, man. Don't worry, Riddler, I'm gonna get to you too, because you've been talking too much stuff all over the internet. No, I'm gonna finish you.
There he is! It's Batman!
Yes, it is. I am vengeance. I am the knight. I am Batman. New suit, same old me.
A GCPD helicopter reported a hostage situation in Port Adams, sir.
I'm having fun just imagining what I could do to you.
Okay, I know this is like Batman context, but it still feels kind of weird for him to say out loud. Right there, knocked him out. Took him straight to town, because I'm the baddest Batman out here. Okay, I know there's other probably better players than I am, but I can still say that. I'm pretty good at this game. Ooh, right there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I'm a little into this game. I just really like the combat system. It's like pretty awesome. I know it's like a couple years old, but still, it's really awesome to this day. I've not seen a really good game, especially at this level of this very good game making.
Don't leave me here, Batman.
Okay, I really hate this type of situations where I'm like literally having to get caught to destroy these people, but then again, I literally have like a bunch of upgrades on my suit, so the damage isn't as bad as it normally would be without all the upgrades. So yeah, I really enjoy this part of the game, even though I had to get caught to destroy these people.
The night taught us everything we need to know about Batman. We can still take it.
Like, this is what's gonna happen right now. Boom, straight in your little face, knocking you out. Yeah, you try to throw up all your shots on me. I got the shots for you. I'm about to bust them right in your mouth. Wait, pause. I'm just trying to hit you with the batarangs and not fists, because every time I turn around, I'm taking a bunch of risks, but I'm Batman. I'm the coolest dude, so what I'm gonna do, I knock you out. Makes you look like a straight fool. Hits you with a stun electricity thing and shit again. Knocked you out too. How dare you! You should not hit Batman with a car. Boom! Right in your face. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh! See, this is what happens, bro. I'm knocking these dudes out. Bam! Right in your face. Wait, did I just throw that guy? Yeah, I think I did. Okay. Really, man. I'm trying to avoid the dude in the green so I can interrogate him for some, information. Come on. Yeah, exactly. Time to interrogate this poor guy.
Look out! Batman's hit!
Riddler. Talk.
Sure, whatever you say.
He didn't say any. He didn't say anything. Okay, Batman, you gotta admit that was a little brutal. Again, hit that like, subscribe button so I'll know what you want me to make on this channel, because obviously I'm trying to see what the people like, so that way, a lot of people like my videos and subscribe. Because obviously, the more you subscribe, the more I know what you want me to make, so please, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and in the comments, if you want me to play any other game, tell me what you want me to play. Just might. Oh my, bro, Batman, that was a little rough, man. I don't know. Oh my, bro, Batman, you gotta calm down. I know being a criminal is bad and all, but you don't gotta brutalize them. Like, ooh, my gosh. I don't even know how the pain they felt, but I know it was a lot. Like, they say Batman doesn't kill, but in this game, it looks like he kind of does.
I'm not fixing the gun again. Someone else do it. One side better own.
The way he got up and then fell back down after he got knocked out was crazy. Boom, right in your face, dude. Ooh, straight in your face. Yep, this is what's gonna happen, dude. We're gonna have to do it like this, man. We gotta stop these criminals in Gotham City right there when it happens, dude.
Let's talk about Riddler.
I'll tell you everything!
Thank you.
Now, this is how you destroy criminals. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I think I broke his arm. Boom, 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 right in your face. You're not gonna take my calm going away from me, bro. Ooh. That's what you do to these criminals, man. This isn't funny the way they like to be all bad and cool, but when they see Batman, they want to run down and act like a straight fool. Because we all know Batman's the coolest dude. He's the baddest man in Gotham City. He's going to really make you look like you're not really worthy of staying in Gotham City, because he breaks these people's bones like he's going crazy and make these other criminals look like they're super lazy. Now, Future the Creative here, yeah, this level gave me a lot of hardships. Now this one gave me a lot of hardships because I really like died a bunch of times in this one. But as you know, your boy Be Creative always comes out on top and makes it through her straight little fools. And of course they like to make his little sentry guns to try to, you know, knock you down. But we all know Batman, he's a cool student. Gotham City in town. I'm always rhyming, I got the good timing. Every time I turn on my stuff's like diamonds. Anyways, I'll see you next time in the next video, and the creative
These chemicals now, my
is out.